Whirlpool Top Freezer Refrigerator, Model W8TX-NGZB. This refrigerator holds 17.6 cubic feet of storage. It is 28 inches wide by 67 3/8 high. The refrigerator and freezer controls are located at the top front of the unit. It has 3 full-width spill-proof glass shelves. 2 are fully adjustable and glide forward. 1 is stationary. It has 2 humidity-controlled crispers and 1 deli drawer. On the door are 3 fixed shelves and the dairy compartment. In the freezer is 1 glass shelf that's easily adjustable and 2 fixed storage bins on the door.